Welcome to Loud Moms, Loud Life, our web series. I am Allison Thompson, and I'm excited to be a loud mom living a very loud life. I'm a psychotherapist who believes that therapy can be fun, and I'm here to share my 20 years of experience in our video log.
My name is Tiana McDonald, social media and PR professional, and a very loud mom with a very loud life. So loud that I want to talk about the difference between AM and PM parents.
Okay.
I'm the PM parent, and that is the parent that at the end of the day picks up the kids, does the homework, gives them the bath, puts them to bed, and cooks the dinner. While my buddy over here is the AM parent.
I am the AM parent.
All you have to do is get up with your cup of coffee and dictate what the kids need to do.
Right. All I have to do is get up and dictate. I get up at 5:45 every morning just to squeeze in exercise and make lunches and take to bus stops and deal with attitudes and permission forms and all of those good things.
Well, I dabble a little in the AM activities. My husband gets the kids up, gets them dressed, but I have to suffer and get them in the car to get them to school, which I think is a hard thing to do because they're bickering, they're fighting, they won't shut up. This one's touching this one. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. All that stupidness is going on.
Why, you're punching yourself?
Yeah. And I'm in the mirror, trying to beat them up, looking like a crazy lady to everybody else on the road. But it's interesting because I didn't think about this when I was bringing up this topic. But somebody on Facebook said, well, what about if you're both?
Yes, well, I think that parents of who are divorced take on both roles when they're with their children. I think that both roles are difficult. I can say that I am not the PM parent. Probably at about 8:30, I'm off duty, like the taxi cabs when they do the off duty at like 3:30 in the afternoon in New York. I'm off duty at about 8:30, so I try to get everything done that needs to be done. And I also think as your kids age, the PM becomes a lot easier and the AM becomes a lot more difficult because they require more sleep, and where it used to be smooth in the morning, now it's become a little more difficult because they're rushing.
Good point.
Thank you.
You and your husband, do you do a tag team or is it just solely you in the morning?
Yes, we do a tag team because we have, it depends at any given time, which we've discussed. We could have 4 kids, 3 kids, 1 kid, no kids. my favorite time. But he takes 2 of the kids down to Miami, and I'm the bus stop person. But I get stuck with the 2 14-year-olds, which is a joy.
A delight.
A joy.
I think the most stressful part about being the PM parent is that damn homework. It's the homework, and it's the rush to do everything between the hours of the pickup time till dinner time and all that crap in between. So it's have a snack, do the homework, and I don't really have a lot of patience when it comes to the homework, so that doesn't help.
Well, I was going to say, are you the best person to do the homework with the kids? Is there another person? And when do you start to walk away from the table from the homework and allow them to do it themselves? You have little ones, so the goal is always to encourage kids to do their own work and have you just help when they need it.
It's gotten that way now.
Okay,
so
that's good. I'm glad you're moving in that direction.
I'll say I'm coming back to check it.
That's right.
Instead of hovering, because that's where it was getting stressful. I was hovering.
Right.
I was being the helicopter mom.
Now, how old are your kids? What grade?
7 and 5. So it's second grade and pre-K. But believe it or not, the little pre-K comes home with 4 homework sheets.
I do believe it.
Which is insane.
Right. Pre-K you're still sitting with. Kindergarten you're still sitting with. First grade, second grade, you want to start to move away from the table. You can be local in the kitchen or local in the house, but give them their independence in doing their work in those afternoon hours.
And thank God for aftercare. Because then I pick them up and the homework's done.
That's right. Or send your kids to aftercare,
there you go.
And
have someone else do the homework.
Somebody else do the homework.
What are you paying for? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today. Find out which parent you are. Really, really analyze and find out if you're the AM or the PM parent or if you're both. And just maybe we'll come back and talk about it next time.
All right. Well, thank you. And I'd like to thank Florida Sun Studios for hosting us. They are the place to be. And have a wonderful month. And we'll see you in March.
Take care. Bye.